Hi there, Suzanne here from the Arts Active team. I'm the Learning and Partnerships Assistant at Arts Active, and today I'm making loo roll Christmas baubles. So if you've got some empty loo rolls hanging around your house, maybe somebody in your house never puts them in the bin, then here's something you can do with them. So to make your loo roll Christmas tree baubles, first of all, you're going to need a loo roll, and you're just going to want to squash it in half, just like that. And then you want to get a ruler and measure it into centimetres. I'm going to put a mark at each centimetre along my loo roll, 1 centimetre, 2 centimetre, and so on. Go. I've got a little extra bit at the end, so I'm just going to cut that little extra bit off. And then you want to cut your centimetres into strips, like so. Okay, and once you've got your centimetre strips, you should have shapes, a bit like that. So then it's up to you how you want to decorate them. I'm going to use a bit of red paint because red's a bit festive. You can use paint or glitter or anything else you want. You could paint them different colours instead of just one colour like I'm going to do. And now I'm just going to leave these to dry for a while. Okay, so now that the paint's dried, I've got my red strips of toilet roll, and I've decided to use some silver and green hearts to glue onto them to decorate them, but you can use anything you want to decorate yours. So I'm just going to dab a little bit of glue onto the edge, and then I'm going to stick on my little silver and green hearts. Okay, and now for the construction part. So you want to get one of your strips and put it around the other one, like so. And then keep on adding strips one at a time until you've got them all on. Till you've got them all together in a ball. And then you can use string or any kind of ribbon or thread or anything that you've got. I've got a little piece of red ribbon here to match, but you could use a different colour perhaps. And you're just going to thread your ribbon through, and then you have a loo roll Christmas bauble for your tree.